Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best autofollow drones available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best autofollow drones. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Meet the DJI Air 2S, your all-in-one aerial camera solution that takes flight and filmmaking to the next level. With its 1-inch image sensor and massive 2.4 micrometers pixels, it captures breathtaking footage in 5.4K at 30 FPS, or 4K at 60 FPS, making every frame crystal clear. But that's just the beginning. The Master Shots feature turns even beginners into cinematic creators, automatically composing and executing complex shots at the tap of a button. Thanks to Focus Track, which includes Active Track 4.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, the Air 2S can follow you effortlessly, whether you're hiking, cycling, or exploring new landscapes. With OcuSync 3.0, enjoy up to 7.5 miles of ultra-clear transmission and real-time image feedback. Plus, its advanced environment sensing lets it avoid obstacles in 4 directions, ensuring safe, stable flights every time. And let's not forget the 10-bit D-Log-M color profile captures over 1 billion colors, turning your footage into a vivid masterpiece. This isn't just a drone, it's your eye in the sky. Meet the Holy Stone HS710, the ultimate blend of beginner-friendly controls and professional-grade features, all packed into a sleek, foldable 4K drone. Equipped with an Ultra HD 4K camera, a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, and a 90 degrees adjustable gimbal, it delivers stunning aerial shots with rich detail and a cinematic perspective. With 5G FPV transmission, enjoy real-time, smooth video feedback at longer distances, perfect for capturing epic landscapes or unforgettable family moments. But what really sets the HS710 apart? Intelligent GPS flight features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest let you focus on your shot while the drone does the flying. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a seasoned aerial photographer, features like Altitude Hold, Auto Return Home, and One-Key Takeoff/Landing make it easy and safe to operate. Its triple stability system, GPS, GLONASS, and optical flow, ensures rock-steady positioning indoors or out. Paired with powerful brushless motors and modular batteries offering up to 25 minutes of flight time, the HS710 is your go-to companion for adventure. Lightweight, foldable, and powerful, it's ready to fly when you are. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands alone as a flagship powerhouse built for serious creators. Equipped with a legendary Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS main camera, this drone captures breathtaking 20 megapixels RAW photos with up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range, offering cinematic detail and unmatched clarity in every frame. The triple camera system includes a powerful 70mm medium telephoto lens and an enhanced 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profile, giving creators stunning flexibility in post-production. Fly with confidence thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, while the new Vision Assist technology adds visual support in complex environments. The DJI 3 Plus transmission system delivers crystal-clear, low-latency footage up to 15 kilometers away, and a 43-minute max flight time means you spend more time creating, less time charging. Fully FAA Remote ID compliant and bundled with the intuitive DJI RC, featuring a bright built-in screen, the Mavic 3 Pro is engineered for professionals but easy enough for ambitious enthusiasts. Whether you're shooting a film, surveying landscapes, or pushing creative limits, this drone is your aerial masterpiece in motion. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, a mini drone with massive creative potential. Weighing under 249 grams, it's ultra-portable and doesn't require registration in most regions, making it your perfect travel companion. But don't let its size fool you. This compact marvel packs a 4.8 MP camera and shoots stunning 4K video, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal with true vertical shooting for flawless social-ready content. Capture more and fly longer with up to 34 minutes of flight time on the standard battery. Or go even further with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately. giving you up to 47 minutes of worry-free airtime. With tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, you'll glide smoothly and safely through complex environments. From master shots and focus track to time-lapse and quick transfer, the Mini 3 Pro offers a full suite of intelligent features that make content creation simple and fun. It's also FAA Remote ID compliant and compatible with DJI goggles and RC Motion 2 for an immersive FPV experience. Small in size, huge in capability, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the creative tool that fits in your pocket and flies like a pro. Meet the Potensic Atom 2, the ultralight powerhouse drone built for creators on the move. Weighing under 249 grams, the Atom 2 bypasses registration in many countries, yet it packs serious performance for its size. Capture breathtaking 4K video and 8K photos with a high-performance camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth footage. Its advanced AI track and quick shots features make professional-grade cinematography effortless, even for beginners. The Atom 2 takes you farther, thanks to a 10 km transmission range, delivering ultra-clear, real-time video to your screen with minimal latency. And with the Fly More combo, you get up to 96 minutes of total flight time, perfect for longer shoots and spontaneous adventures. Content creators will love the true vertical shooting for ready-to-share social media footage, and the new AI night shot that enhances low-light clarity for evening flights. Whether you're capturing fast action, scenic landscapes, or cinematic selfies, the Potensic Atom 2 makes it easy, smart, and fun. This is the perfect fusion of power, portability, and performance in a mini drone built for modern storytelling.